Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to deactivate Facebook account. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines or the hamburger menu on the top right. And in here, head over to the settings. From here, go to account center. Now go to personal details on the account settings section. Now go to account ownership and control. Now go to deactivation or deletion. Now select your Facebook account. Here, make sure you check mark on deactivate account. It says your account and main account profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most settings that you have shared. You will be able to continue your messenger. So tap on continue. And now you have to give your password to continue further, and then you can just deactivate your Facebook account. So yeah, you see, this is how easy it is to do. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.